Hey nail babes, and welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be doing an unboxing / review on the Hey Beautiful new collection. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do types of videos like here in this video. I will be going ahead and showing you guys what I got here in this new collection, as well as swatching, reviewing it, and unboxing it. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified to my upload. And also, if you guys are new, do not forget to check down below in the description for any of my social media, any discount codes, as well as any of my latest videos. Make sure to check it down below, and let's get on to unboxing what we got here in this new collection. Okay, so just to show you guys really quick the package that I received. So as you can see here, I have the package. Here is what the packaging looks like. I love it. It's so nice and simple. So it does have their logo here, and then obviously little shipping things. So I am going to go ahead and start to open it. So it's just black all around, and I will be going ahead and using my cold vintage scissors to unbox it. So I'm just going to be going ahead and sliding it through to open it. As you could see, just like that. And this is what it looks like once you open it. It does say Hey Beautiful. And as you can see, there is some little packing paper. So I'm going to just be going ahead and taking it out. Just like that. And as you can see, here is the collection. And it is bubble wrap. So as you can see, I'm just going ahead and taking it out of the packaging. So this is the new collection that I went ahead and received from them. So it does come nicely packaged with the bubble wrap, as well as with the packing paper, which we love. And then if you guys haven't ordered from them, make sure to go order. I love their packaging, like I mentioned. So this is the bottom of the box, which is just their logo. It's just a professional nail product. So as you can see, that's what we did receive. And then here we did go ahead and receive the new spring summer collection, which is Pop of Colors, which I cannot wait to swatch. Here also we did go ahead and receive a thank you card from them, which it does say, thank you so much for choosing us. You are shopping in a family-owned business that is small, and we appreciate your support. Please reach out if you have any questions, feedback about your order. Please make sure to snap or pic of your IG or TikTok stories and tag us. And then here it does have their Instagram and TikTok, their here their website, email. And then here, as you can see, every Thursday they do have live videos that they go ahead and do. They have like different topics, so make sure to go check them out if you guys want to learn more about nails, or just be more informative, or any of that assortment. So make sure to check them out. I will make sure to link down below, as well as their social media, so make sure to go check it out if you guys haven't. It's just blank. So I do like that it has like their logo here. They did show off some nail products, crystals, and yeah, super cute. I love that. And then here is the most exciting part, which is the collection. So this is the Pop of Colors, the spring summer collection. And just to turn around, as you can see all around, look at these beautiful colors that I see. So this is what the back looks like. It does have like the ingredients and all that. And here it does show all the different colors, which I really cannot wait to swatch. So I am going to be going ahead and opening it. To start off, the first colors that I see are these. So again, they do have the same packaging. So they do have the like engraved logo at the top, which I love. So this one right here, ooh, they kind of have, I want to say they have little sayings. Yeah, they all have little different sayings. So this one says, in the world of safe hues like black, red, and white, yellow shouts, look at me, I'm happy, joy sewing. That's super cute. So this is like a yellow. Here next we have a green. This one says, keep a green tree in your heart and perhaps a singing bird will come. Lori. Hopefully I'm saying these names right, but this is the green. Super cute. I cannot wait to swatch, y'all. Here we have the orange, which does say, orange strengthens your emotional body, encouraging a general feeling of joy, well-being, and cheerfulness. Tae Yun Kim. And this is the orange. Super cute again. Here next we do have the blue. This one says, let the blue of the sky and ocean take your blue away when you feel blue. Munia Khan. And this is the blue. And then here next we have the purple, which looks like a really nice neon color. And this one does say, be different, be original. Nobody will remember a specific flower in a garden filled with thousands of the same yellow flower, but they will remember the one that managed to change its color to purple. Susie Kassem. And that's super pretty. And then here next we do have this neon pink, which does say, anything is possible with sunshine and a little pink. Lily Pulitzer. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But these are the beautiful colors here in this collection. As you could see, they are amazing and beautiful colors, and I love the saying. So these don't have a name or a number, so they're just kind of neon colors. So I am definitely going to be going ahead and swatching them. So as you can see, it does have 6 colors in this collection, and it does have 6 different colors of assortment. So you do have yellow, orange, green, blue, purple, and pink, which I will be going ahead and swatching now. Okay, so here I do have my little dabbing dish, which I will be applying some monomer in it, just a tiny bit, since I'm only going to be swatching the acrylics. And as you could see, here is 6 different colors, and I will be going ahead and swatching them on these swatch sticks. I will make sure to link down below all the products that I use, so make sure to go check it out in the description if you guys haven't yet. As you can see, I'm just gonna dip in my brush in the monomer so that way it could soak it a bit. And I am gonna be going ahead and starting off by swatching the orange. So to start off with the orange, I will be going ahead and opening it, and as you can see, they all do come sealed, which we love. So this is what the orange looks like. It looks like a really nice pigmented orange, which I cannot wait to swatch at all. Make sure you guys get all of it so that way you guys don't lose out on y'all's money or whatnot. But here we have the orange on summer collection, which I cannot wait to use these colors. So pick up a bead. Look at that. That is super duper pigmented. I'm just gonna be going ahead and placing my bead just like that. Look at that. That looks amazing, y'all. Amazing. So I'm just gonna be going ahead and dragging her down so that way everything else can be filled as I'm dropping her. And look at that. She is pigmented. I love that. That is a super neon orange. I cannot wait to use that. This is perfect right now for the summer. I feel like orange, the neon orange, is definitely gonna pop out this summer. I definitely feel like that's the way some of the girls are gonna go and whatnot. But yeah, this is the neon orange. Now I will be going ahead and swatching the yellow. This yellow, although I will say it doesn't really look like a neon yellow. Again, it does come sealed. This looks more of like a sunflower kind of yellow, I want to say, not so much like of a neon. But like I said, this is a spring and summer collection, so this color is perfect for the spring. Again, I'm gonna pick up a bead there. Look at that. That looks really pretty. Going ahead and placing that on my swatch stick here. I'm gonna be going ahead and dragging her down just like that, because this color is really nice. I am gonna add a tiny little bead here at the bottom, blending that up on the sides. Make sure you fill in your sides. And this is what the yellow looks like. This is a really nice yellow. This would be really nice to do some 3D flowers with. This is a perfect yellow for the spring. Super cute. Like I said, it's not that much of like a neon like the oranges, but this is more of like a sunflower kind of spring kind of yellow. Next, I will be going ahead and swatching this green, which it does look like of a neon green. Again, they do come sealed, which we love. So here we have the neon green, which I am going to be going ahead and swatching here on the swatch stick. Picking up a bead here. As you can see, it's a really nice neon green. Placing that on my swatch stick, as you can see. And yeah, this is definitely a really nice neon green right now for the summer. That's literally already here in Texas. It's super hot, but look at that. Super pretty. This is a perfect neon green for the summer, like I mentioned. So yeah, this is perfect. It is so pretty. Look at that. Love her. Next here, I will be going ahead and swatching the blue, which it is a really nice blue, like a sky blue, almost like a neon blue. It is a really nice blue. Again, I will be going ahead and swatching it, picking up just a bead here. And look at that. That looks really nice. It does look like a really nice like sky blue almost. So as you can see, this is what it's looking like. That is super pretty. Again, this would be a really nice color to do some like 3D flowers with. Just some beautiful nail art all around. And as you can see, this is what she looks like. She looks really, really nice and pigmented. These are all really, really pigmented, which that's one thing that I absolutely love about Hey Beautiful. They are super, super pigmented, and they are great, great quality. So this is what the blue looks like. It's a really, really nice electric blue. Here next, I will be going ahead and swatching the purple, which this is definitely a neon kind of purple. You could definitely tell it is super, super pretty. And I also do wonder if you could use these like kind of like as pigments, since they're really, really pigmented. Definitely make sure to comment down below if you guys would want to see a video of me trying that, because that's definitely something that I've been wanting to do. So here's, you could see, this is what the purple looks like. It is a really, really nice purple. So I'm just going ahead and placing that here on the swatch stick, bringing her down. As you can see, super, super nice and pigmented yet again. Just bringing her down. Make sure you're filling in the sides, and this is what she looks like. Super, super nice. I will be going ahead and adding just a little tiny bit more here at the bottom, just so that way you could definitely see the pigmentation of it. It is a really, really nice collection, and this is what the purple looks like. A nice magenta purple. It does look a little bit darker on camera, but it looks it's like a really, really nice purple kind of magenta color. And then last but not least, here I do have the neon pink, which obviously you could definitely tell it's like of a neon kind of pink color. And as you can see, it looks like a really, really nice pink. So that's the last one that I will be going ahead and swatching. As you can see here, I am going to be going ahead and picking up a bead. It looks like a really, really nice pigmented pink. Look at that. That looks really, really nice. It's more of like of a, I don't know, but I feel like on camera it kind of looks like a little different tone almost of pink, but it's a really, really, really nice neon pink. As you could see, super, super pretty. I'm gonna add a little tiny bead here at the bottom just to fill everything in and make sure that it's pigmented out more than it already is. But as you can see, this is what the neon pink looks like. It looks super, super pretty, more like of a neon hot pink. So here, as you can see here, I have the entire collection of the pop colors of the spring summer collection, which here, as you can see, I have the yellow, the orange, green, blue, purple, and pink. And again, here are all the colors that are in this collection. So it is a total of 6 colors, and they are 1/4 ounce of the container and amount that they contain. So it is perfect if you guys want to try out their brand, if you guys want to try out just their acrylics just in general, if you guys want to try out what their formula is like, what their pigmentation is like. As you can see, here just alone, they are super pigmented. I definitely recommend if you guys are interested in expanding your guys' collection and trying out brands and stuff. I absolutely love Hey Beautifuls. I have already gone through some of their acrylics, which I do need to order some, matter of fact. But other than that, I absolutely love them, and I already know these containers, I'm gonna go through them like crazy. So I will definitely need to buy the bigger amounts. So as you can see, if you guys are interested in this collection, I will make sure to link it down below in the description, so make sure to go check it out, as well as with my discount code, so that way you guys can go ahead and save some money when shopping with Hey Beautiful. I will leave it here on the screen, as well as link down below, so that way you guys could go ahead and shop with them if you guys are interested in purchasing their collection and acrylics, which this is one of their newest collections, which is the pop colors, the spring summer collection, which I have been waiting for, and I cannot wait to use these on some clients. Make sure to comment down below if you guys want to see a video of me using these acrylics and doing some type of designs. I will definitely love to do that. So make sure to comment down below if that's something you guys would want to see. But other than that, another thing that I really liked was the little I guess you could say like quotes or sayings by these people. I'm not exactly sure who these people are, but they definitely intrigued me to go look them up and see like who they are or like what they do. So make sure to do it as well if you guys want to be informed. I love each and every quote that each of them had. I feel like it belonged to the acrylic. So make sure to comment down below if you guys also like that, because I've never seen a company do quotes like this on acrylic, so make sure to comment down below if you guys have seen another company do this. But other than that, this is the first company that I ever seen do this, so I thought that was really cool and unique. And obviously for a collection like this, it is super cute, like a rainbow collection, neon collection, whatever it may be. It is super dope. So make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions. But other than that, this is the end to this video. I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed. Again, make sure to go shop with Hey Beautiful. I will leave my code link down below, as was throughout here, so that way you guys could go ahead and check them out if you guys haven't. Make sure to go shop and make sure to go save some money when shopping with them and use my code to save money. And also do not forget to check down below in the description for any of my other discount codes, so that way you guys could save money as well with them. And also do not forget to check out any of my other social media if you guys want to stay updated with me, if you guys want to see what I've been up to. Also, if you guys want to see what I have going on and what new products I got, I do share other stuff on my other social media as well, so make sure to go check them out if you guys haven't. And yeah, I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed, and also if you guys really like this collection, make sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys loved it. And also do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and also do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified to my upload. And I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed. This is Jess, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video.